What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new YouTube video on the Jazzray channel. We got Baldwin, we got Davis, we got Thomas Fellows, we got Oscar, we got Joe Swanson, we got Nicola Electric.
Mix, that guy's not in our group there. It does seem like we're off. We have started the long, arduous 3-hour bus journey. It's longer than the plane flight is. It's a classic. It's a classic, mate. Now there was a time when you loved me so. I couldn't around. Now you need to know. See, I've been a bro, look at that sky. It's even a banana. What is that, bro? He is a superior method. He's just split his banana in half, man. What is going on? You love all this man, and can't wait till you see. I can't wait. So how you like me? The first service stop. It's a classic. Yeah. Go on, you vibing, bro? So, we're in the airport, Classic. Year 12s, taking years.
Scubbing us off over there.
It's a classic.
Gives.
It's a classic.
Do it for the fast lane.
Who's not here, bro?
Everyone. Teachers.
Who's not here, Arthur? Half our group. Half our group. Grunt and Tom are not here. And oh, classic, bro. It's a classic. It is a classic. Unfortunately, I'm sharing a row with that guy. And he stinks. What? I'll put the other on, but it's stinky. Go on, what's your like, bro?
Bro, I don't know.
I don't know.
Why not?
We'll park it over, it's fine. Bro, cheeky. Grunt, what you saying now we landed in Sweden, bro?
Pretty nice, I guess.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying, bro?
I'm not saying anything.
He's not saying anything. What's bro doing? Is that Finn? Is that Finn?
He ain't cooked his fit.
He's only gone and done it. Go on, Mick. What's bro doing, bro? What's bro doing?
Squad rolling up.
Mick, what you saying, bro?
Pretty cool place, this.
Pretty cool place. Right. Very nice place. No potholes to be seen in Sweden.
None. No, I haven't tasted it yet. It's primed already. It's...
What's the food like? How the fuck is this a hostel? What's going on?
This buffet is golden.
Right, how is this a hostel?
It's fucking... But it ain't a hostel. This is a bloody 5-star hotel.
They have a lock code on the toilet. Tombo.
No, that's mad.
Tom. That's crazy. Tom, what's the birds like here, bro?
Well, I gotta say, like, they're not UK level.
They're not UK level. What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
Like, I'm ugly here, pretty much.
I was gonna say something, but that would be slanderous.
You are everywhere.
So basically, we've just set up the beds. Oh, this guy's so dead. Me and Joe have our nice singles, and Oscar's down there.
Oh, it's so luxurious.
Sleep on them all the time.
What's your reaction to sleeping there, bro?
There's a futon, mate. I sleep on them quite a lot.
Lovely, mate.
That's nothing new.
Lovely night. It's 11 o'clock. Oh, firelights, bro.
Yo, Austin, can you get some drinks for the canoes?
Yeah.
I got 60 bits for the drinks.
What is the canoes?
Yeah, for the canoes.
What are we doing tomorrow, bro? We can't go out. Bro, no.
Day drinking.
the boys woken up, early session in the gym, some Donnelly breakfast, second course. Cheeky. Just in the Swedish mile, look at some clothes and you have this guy, Tom. Man, what is that, bro?
Yeah, man.
Looking fresh, looking drippy,
Yeah, man.
So, we're just in Gothenburg, out buying some gear for the expedition. It's lovely.
Vlogging now, boys. Go down the road, yeah. Where are we off? Tram line's just gonna get fucking run over. These things are deadly, look. It's a little bollocks. What's that gonna do with his fam? Here he is. Here's the man. He made man himself. I tripped over on these earlier. Fucking deadly, yeah. Fell on the scooter. Here comes the tram. That'll do.
Lovely time in Sweden. My dad's given me a mission to find a specific shop, so we're looking for that.
Great fuck off horse.
So, just woken up, second day. Just packing up. We got a 5 hour bus journey ahead of us today. To get to the lakes. Yeah, it's gonna be bloody annoying. Yeah, we just gotta pack up everything, clean up the room. I still gotta have breakfast, and then I guess we get going. Oh my days, bro! This is Tom's room, man. Jesus Christ, someone's on the bog. Fuck it, Sandals in the middle. So it's an absolute tip, man. Blurning out.
Look at this.
Bloody hell. This guy's like half naked on the bed. It stinks of shit in the room. It's not good, man. Just waiting for the bus at the moment. Yeah. Midway on the bus journey. Cue the Minecraft music. You don't know, bro. Tom's walls has gone everywhere. Cheeky little panorama, cheeky. Finishes on Davis, bro. This is the first night. We're just at a campsite, not in the wilds yet, because we got to set up all the canoes and obviously get going. This is the night before. We haven't actually started, so we're setting up all the tents, but it's tipping it down. Yeah, we've got a tarp up, keep the stuff get dry. We'll set up all the stuff underneath. Ooh, look at the view. fish. Big Mick, classic.
It's like, I'd rather be in like, where would you rather be right now?
Not here.
No, but if you had to pick a country, you'd rather be
Inside a fucking brick cave, like just
like-
not with midges, bro.
Syria, bro.
Yeah, Syria'd be pretty. Actually, Syria's probably got mosquitoes as well.
Fucking hell.
You see what I mean, bro? Holy shit!
Oh, we're just having dinner. Cheeky, what
Definitely like see the people who are like, yeah, their family goes camping all the time, do you know what I mean? Yeah, man. You know what I mean? You just see these like Donnies and they're dressed like, their families definitely go camping all the time.
Grant, what's your thoughts on the midges, bro?
Bro, I fucking know. I've already had my rant.
Rants over, but he's been ranting for the past 2 hours about midges and weather.
You know this is it, yeah, the toilet's literally there and you walk all the way over there.
Where the fuck?
Bro,
You didn't stop me, did
We
you?
literally said the toilet's right there, I thought you went to it. We was like, where's Grant?
oh, flipping hell, man. So, we just woken up. There's big Oscar's tent. Grant and Davis over there. Grant was snoring all night. Tom's and that shit, small one. Got the British flag. Got some awful net on because there's so many midges about, mosquitoes, it's unbelievable. But yeah, got to take the tents down, they'll be all wet. I think it's going to start raining soon, so we've only got a certain window to take the tents down. There's some carnage, man. They're foraging in there. Should we go along the bank, see if you can see any foods? Let's go along the bank, it looks deep. Pine cone. I'm off. Oh. Holy shit, man. There's fucking ants here. Bloody massive. Right there. are. Yeah. Come on, boys! Dun dun! You fucking idiots! You fucking idiots! To this peninsula, we box them in, into this, like, into this bit. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, boys, it's in such shadow. When we get near, we gotta turn out ourselves though. How far to the right? What do you mean it's folding boat? Fucking hell, mate! I've been spun out for... Fucking hell, mate!
Oh, do you want to go in there, boys?
Oh, no, mate! What's this fucking guy doing, bro? This fucking guy, bro, he wants me to have a swim that bad, bro. Oh, you see, this guy's cooking, this guy's cooking. This guy's cooking, bro. This guy is cooking. Bro, this guy, this guy's not cooking. Bro, it's folding day, bro. I might have gone. I'm getting drowned. Folding, almost drowned, classic.
Yeah, no.
It needs to go further in, to be honest, Tom.
Just hang him on that twig.
Hang him on the twig.
Put it in the fire.
Hang him on the twig. You've got to go closer.
Closer, yeah. Just
In.
Just do a quick
run. Do a quick. Do a cheeky swim. Two neeks. Never actually experienced nature, bro.
That's actually beautiful nature.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful nature.
That's beautiful nature.
Beautiful nature.
I'm off on one, mate. I'm fucking off. I'm off to find a moose, mate. See, this is classic reindeer moss, mate. You can eat that. All edible. All the sticks are fucking dry as bone. See, there's no civilization in sight, you know, apart from a road over there.
Honestly, if I wear sandals on moose hunt, if they can carry one in the back. The moose can carry one in the back.
Problem is, boys, it's all soaking wood, but...
It's like a car park there.
Oh wait, I see a dry ass log, boys. You see that log over there? Do you want to grab that with me?
Which one?
See that over there?
Where? Oh yeah, I see.
Let's grab that. Do we like? Oh, Mick's just he's challenged Davis to snap this in half, one kick. Big ass log, yeah, one kick. Bam.
Oh, look at power.
He's massive.
All
He's massive. He's massive, bro.
All class kicker.
The Davis massive, bro.
Go so hard. You've been off, you were shining, I saw you from afar. Might as well say that you're mad at the world, since you're saying that it's everyone's fault. This is too bizarre, but I like things how they are. Yeah, this is too bizarre, but I love things how they are. My mega superstar, baby, we don't have to talk. Ooh, 'cause you're drifting off, yeah, you just keep drifting off. Guess what? Make love turn. And you're losing your temper. My mega fuck. And you're losing your temper. Wreck shop, no, you ain't nobody's bitch. Pull up in that Benz, now I'm about to handle business. Got me killing shit, yeah, can I get a witness? Yeah, we bout to flex on the old party fitness. Yeah, this is too bizarre, but I love things how they are. My mega superstar, baby, we don't have to talk.
We just set up camp. Yeah, it's looking good. Got a fresh tent here. Humble abode. Class it. Oscar's fucking spilt his Heineken all over his sleeping bag, so that's lovely. Yeah, it's pretty fresh. The boys out foraging. Just found a load of wild berries. On looking for some mushrooms now. Stung me. Up the scram. Big Bruce, Tom's gone. He's eating some spam. That is horrendous. That's on.
You don't know the popular takes nice though.
Must have been, mate. Fucking nasty.
Stand up. Drum.
Push.
Bro. My knee's taking half the vlog.
That would be hard.
Oh my
No.
god, that's touching my back on.
Sure, nice mate. Come on, be short with it. Oh, I reckon he's got it.
Close.
It's the balance.
This is the dodgy part.
It's the balance game. Come on, Tom, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. Do you want me to get a photo of you up there?
Come on.
Should be up there, yeah? Right. So you're looking at it upside down pretty much? I'm just on the lookout for beavers, bro. Tom, you speech! Oh, we're ramming Tom. All of us ram Tom, bro. After we go wide and we slam. Power, just power. What do you mean? Bro, even if it is a truce, you do it all by accident, bro. Wait. We'll wait up for the blunderbuss. What the fuck are we doing? Smash the catfish, grab it. Oscar, there's a beaver right by you, mate. Let's go swim, you gotta swim over, bro. Watch out, Oscar! side. Oh, looking moist, mate. Oh, Davis is looking moist, bro. Looking moist.
Area right there. It tore within seconds. Really.
Got a cheeky 2 kilometre canoe walk. Got another kilometre now. And it's some storm from good old Amsterdam has come along. It's classic. It is Punjitsu. Me and Paul train Punjitsu.
It can't be Punjitsu.
No, it legit is. Davis, ain't it Punjitsu?
I've been calling Ninjitsu my entire fucking life since I was a 10 or whatever.
Quite bold and it might tip it, bro. Well, you can go that side, David. What about Oscar on the left? You do that side, alright? Yeah. If Oscar goes left. Right, we'll wait for him now. Right there. What? Sorry. Oh bro, I don't know if it's good actually. I was gonna have this spot, but it's all a bit shit, innit? It's all damp underneath, but at the end of the day, it make my life nicer. Oh, I might get spayed out in a second. Cheeky 4K cut, bro. Oh, oh, mate, in the tree, classic, mate. You in? Dry your feet off, Tom. You get in. Paddle then. A lot. Let's paddle. Paddle, mate. Right, I'm gonna go on the right if you guys go on the left then. I'm tearing up across your face. Moved us to the light. Tell fights your name. It's something faint. I can't this time. Grunt, he just said you had 8 chins, mate. Got chins. Big boy. Big boy. Better have lunch somewhere here. Ooh, the AV is done. Ooh.
Can't even stand up.
Bruce has got to talk, bro. That's little services, cheeky little services. Oh my god, don't let me cut. Oh my god, so we have reached the crib. And this guy's fuming, bro. God's fuming.
There's only balls in it.
I was just trying to get up there, bro.
Alright, there's actually no room. I'm breaking the wood, bro.
You're not thin on the top.
No, my legs really hurt. Trying to go up.
Backseat the bottom, yeah, this fucking cunt.
Hey, Davis.
It is a 2x2.
That's what I found. Hey, you've gone about this the wrong way, bro. No. I'm trying to get this back in, bro. What's wrong? You that's wrong way round. That's the wrong way. You got to do it. That's the
My
wrong.
nose is whack. That is definitely the wrong way around. Hold that for a minute. Oh, yeah.
Fucking snooze you lose, mate. Snooze you lose, mate.
Snooze you lose.
Honestly, I'm gonna just like, get up in the middle of the night. I'm just gonna shit in the toilet and leave the door open.
Tom, should we go and see our
Then I'm gonna wipe my ass, yeah, and I'm gonna get that tissue paper. I'm gonna put on Mick's pillow.
Alright, should we go see Owen's sleeping arrangements, bro? Come on, bro, come on, Davis, quick time. Why does bro lift up the wood every time he wants to get out?
Bro, I swear that's the way to get out, man.
It's on, mate. Let's check out Grunt's room. It's literally on, mate.
I literally do not think it's.
Let's check out Grunt's room, bro. It's fucking me, mate.
Putting a hammock up outside.
What's going on here then? What's the arrangements? There's Oscar's on the floor.
I'm sleeping on the floor again, bro.
Oscar's sleeping on the floor.
Who's on the top?
Probably good balding 'cause
It's
he's the
fucking
floor,
me.
How are you? Why are you not here? Bro, you fit up there.
I banged my head about 4 times.
Bro, I got it in then, like with no problem.
It actually does a freaking head, to be fair. I thought about coming in and taking a shit in the toilet, but it already stinks so much. Like,
Yeah, you did that last time, didn't you?
classic rudeness. It's way too reeks in there. Actually reeks in there.
I'll put a hammock up between the 2 buildings. Guys, move your stuff. Come on, let's be nice.
Bro. This Mick guy's just he's lost the key. He's locked us out the room. We had to climb through the window to get back in, and his hot chocolate's gone. I dropped back. Let me out, bro. Someone's taking this round.
I'm doing. Oh.
I wanted that
I wanted that Pacific flavour. I have a Galaxy, whatever, and a Cadbury on them. Look, I wanted this flavour. It's the only flavour I got.
Alright.
Oh my fuck!
It actually looks quite nice, to be fair. I'm not even there. I'm outside now.
Big Thomas Henry, bro. Fire. Easy, it's too easy. Zesty man himself, bro. This guy.
You get an indicator on the entire time.
Really?
Yeah.
How would he allow?
It's indicating left or right hand side. Right.
Oh, Thomas, let's find some Thomas Henrys, bro. Come on,
You
man.
haven't got any beer.
No, 100% they have Thomas Henrys. 100%.
It's just
No.
There's no way there's no Thomas Henry.
No way there's no Thomas Henrys, bro.
There's no
No.
hard beer. I wanted port.
I'm thinking some of these, Grunt. Fun iced tea, bro.
To be fair.
Mango Mania.
Only problem is that I'm
Fun iced
not
tea,
going to
Alex.
use it.
How
I'm
can I
not
cop
gonna
that?
drink that till, like, I can't take it over the plane.
There's no.
That's getting cut. Fun iced tea. Oh, hey, that's breakfast, is that?
Oh, okay, we need to get breakfast for tomorrow, don't we?
Yeah, that actually looks banging. What's that? Yeah, I'll have that, mate. That's lovely. Cheers, mate. Yeah, fuming.
Where's the sweetheart?
Don't know, mate.
Come on. You know this.
This sweet's there, isn't it? There's some there, but it's not.
No, that's not proper sweet.
That's not the aisle. Oh, they're down there, mate. Straight.
We'll find Grant in the sweetheart.
Let's try and grunt in the street, I'll trust, bro. You see these fat shits here? They all wanted to go McDonald's.
Just you're literally walking into it. It's so hot with yeah, we had some last time. Spicy chicken nuggets.
Baldwin?
I'm going to start calling him Baldwin now.
Oh, you know Baldwin, yeah? He's probably shoved the carrot up his ox.
Yeah, how tall's it?
175.
170?
Should we get me on there and then get Mick, get Mick on there after me, yeah?
Was it 170?
Bro's at the bottom of the scale.
Bro's 168.
Right, let's get...
Bro's taller than the scale, mate. Bro's 192 or something.
Off the scales, mate. 193, mate.
We've all got scooters, but I can't hold the GoPro. Nah. Big Oscar supplied the goods. We're just gonna check the fridge. Yeah. Just gonna check the fridge. What the fuck? He's got to finish this in one night, by the way.
One night to it.
Smash it all on one day.
That's a classic, isn't it?
Yeah, he's a classic maneuver.
That's what I usually do.
It doesn't stop drinking.
Oh my god, so Oscar's bought an alcohol-free cider. Then thinking it was alcoholic.
And the 6-pack.
And he's made profit on it. He smells alcohol-free cider.
I made 200 stacks on it.
Or at like 10.
I feel full of liquid.
You feel full of liquid?
What are you doing?
In the morning.
I got the stomach.
Yeah, yes.
Go knock in their door, yeah, and start jumping.
Go on, do it. I'm jumping.
Stop recording.
I get
The window, they were going to stop. It's only recording. It's only recording. That's what we should have done.
No, bro, you heard me there.
How's it going? Yeah.
You coming here?
He's in the bathroom.
That's far. That's a bit far.
You gotta get through it. Come on. Only drink with Oscar.
Get it down.
Oscar is our man.
And when we drink with Oscar, he gets it down in 8, 7.
Oh.
Rewind time.
Alright.
Fuck. Hey Oscar, what's that?
Drinking luck.
It's far.
Nah, it's wrong.
Oscar, look at me. It's good.
Oscar, look at me.
It's good.
Chair, get up, come on.